What's up everyone, welcome back Architect Space. In today's video, we'll be unboxing and reviewing the OLIGHT RN 1500 bicycle light. So recently I started to commute to work on my bike and it's very dark in the morning and at night. It would be nice for me to have a bicycle light so I can bike in the dark. The light comes with a few functions and features that's pretty unique from all the competitors on the markets. So without further ado, let's open this thing up. So you open this on the side here. Oh wow, it's nicely packaged. We have a bright yellow slips here. Looks like that's a cover. It just kind of teaches you how to install the light and use it on your bike. So that's pretty cool. We have the lights. Let's take this out. It's nicely weighted in my hand. The design is very minimalist. It's blacked out. It's got a disc mount and we have a power button here at the top. Let's see what else is inside of the box. Okay, so we have the bike mount that will go onto the handlebar. All you have to do is line up the disc and you twist just like that. I'm not sure what this is. We have USB cable and we have a Allen key for installation. Now let's take a look at the light itself, see how bright it can get. Welcome to my bathroom. I just want to quickly show you how bright the flashlight is. Look at that. I mean, of course, you can't really tell the actual brightness of the flashlight, but I just want to give you like a sense of what you can expect. So this is like the max, low, medium, and high. And let's go into the flashing mode. Oh, let's hope I don't give myself a seizure. And this is a downlight that I was trying to tell you guys about. You see this right here? Even though you're pointing forward, it's still lining up like the ground below it, so you can see where you're biking. Without it, it would definitely be darker. I don't know if you can tell the difference. I'm trying to block it with my finger. You can definitely see the floor become darker if that cut wasn't there. So yeah, it's definitely a very cool tech. Alright, so we have here my bike. So first of all, we have the mount. So let's unscrew that. So this side comes off. Here we go to put the strap on. Basically, just go around like this and then close this back up and tighten it with screws. This thing is like super small. Tighten it to the point where it's not wiggling anymore, because you don't want the bike to shake and then they could easily, you know, move it around. Next we have our bike light here, and to put it on you basically go horizontal and then turn and boom, it snaps on. Very easy. Let's take a closer look. Again, to attach the light to the mount, basically you align the disc initially horizontal like this, and then you turn. And to turn the lights on, hold it. There you go. Super bright. To power on, hold it. To switch between brightness, click it. And to switch the mode into flashing, double click. Click it once into super flash. Click it once again, go back to slow mode. Double click, go back to the regular lighting option. Alright, let me take you to the front of the bike light. So you see what's going on. Let me turn it off. Here you go. To twist it off, just go to either left or right. Ooh, I almost dropped it. And to put it back on, screw like that. There you go. To turn on, hold it for like 3 seconds. Change between different modes. Change into flashing. This is super cool. There you go, you have it. OLIGHT RN 1500 bicycle lights. Put down in the comment, let me know what you think. I think this is one of the best bicycle light out there on the market. I love the design, I love the fact you can easily twist it off for charging. Also, when your bike is parked and locked in the public, you don't want to leave your lights on the bike, you know, people might grab it. If you like this video, make sure you leave a thumbs up, subscribe if you want to see more cool tech, discovery, unboxing and review. Make sure you don't miss out my other biking accessory review, such as the super durable lock here, as well as my Peak Design phone mount. So if you haven't checked it out yet, make sure you go check it out and let me know what you think. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.